If you want to buy games in the Epic Games Store using Google Pay, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple step-by-step process so you can complete your purchase quickly and safely. This is especially useful if you prefer using Google Pay instead of entering card details every time, and it can make checkout a lot faster. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and tech guides. All right, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Store and browse for the game you want to buy. Once you find the game, go ahead and add it to your cart. This is the first step before you can move to payment, so make sure the correct edition or bundle is selected before continuing. After the game is in your cart, click the Checkout button to begin the payment process. This will take you to the payment screen where you can choose how you want to pay for your order. Take a moment here to review the items in your cart, because this is your last chance to confirm everything looks right before completing the purchase. On the payment selection screen, look for Google Pay. If you see it, select it as your payment method. Keep in mind that Google Pay is region-specific, so it may not appear for every account or in every country. If you don't see it in the available options, that usually means it isn't supported in your region for that payment method. In that case, you may need to use another payment option that Epic Games supports in your location. If Google Pay does appear, follow the prompts to authorize the transaction through your Google Pay account. You may be asked to sign in, confirm your payment details, or approve the purchase on your device. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure the payment information is correct before confirming. Once the payment is processed, Epic Games will complete the order and the game will be added to your library automatically. After that, you can head to your library anytime and install or download the game whenever you're ready. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy games in Epic Games with Google Pay in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.